This is a B75D New Holland Economy backhoe, similar to the B95 and other economy models. And the problem I'm having is that mice keep getting into here. I'm trying to find all the infiltration points, and I found, well, some of them are just really obvious. It's around the boot and stuff, and there's little places where they can come in, and those you just have to stuff with steel wool, and they're open and they're obvious, like right underneath that pedal. But the harder one is in under this console. Right there is your loader bucket shifter, and you have to take loose 4 screws. There's one there. There's one right there. You can see where the mat has to be pulled up. You can see the silver screw down there, and there's a couple down here. Once you get those loose, then you can find the real problems of infiltration is right under there. And you can see the light coming in. And there's multiple holes down there where they just aren't sealed, and I really can't get to it from underneath. So I'm going to pull this apart far enough and stuff it full of some kind of a steel wool, and I'm using this real light steel wool. It works really good. It cuts good with the scissors, and you can poke it in about anywhere, and that, I think, will solve the problem. I've done this on an old truck one time, and it worked fine. I just got to get my hand down in there. So essentially the place you need to be is right below the bucket control knob, and then get after these underneath the pedal right here. These, I don't know how I'm going to get these sealed up permanently other than put a second boot on and then just add a little bit of steel wool here. That's my solution for mouse proofing a B75D made in 2023 and other backhoes.